Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Yes, welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 1. Name of the chapter is decimals and this is our lecture number 5. Today's subtopics are division of decimal fraction. We will do in exercise 1E. Question number 1, A, B, K, L, M and N parts. And then question number 3, A and B parts. Basically today we will do practice of division sums. Let's start with exercise 1E. Question number 1. Find the quotient. A part 2 decimal 4 divided by 4. 2 decimal 4 divided by 4. In multiplication we don't take decimal, but in division we will consider it. So we will write down 2 decimal 4 as a dividend, 4 divisor, 4 6 are 24, right? And then decimal you will put at last. See, after decimal how many digits are there? 1. So in answer also after decimal we want 1 digit. So count from 1's place 1 once and then put decimal. So our answer will become 0.6. Now question number 1, B part. 6 decimal 3 divided by 7. So 6 decimal 3 will become dividend and 7 divisor. 7 9s are 63. Don't put decimal here. Decimal will be there in our dividend. And then answer is 9. Now see, after decimal 1 digit is here. So count from 1's place once and then put decimal. Now this is our answer, 0.9. When we are doing simple division, 7 9s are 63. But if it is 6 decimal 3, then our answer is 0.9. Understood? Next is K part. 316 decimal 840 divided by 8. So 316 decimal 840 dividend. 8 divisor, put division sign here. Now 8 3s are 24. 31 minus 24, 7. Now we will take next digit, that is 6. 8 9s are 72. 6 minus 2, 4. Now we will take 8 here. Now the number has become 48. 8 6 are 48. Division is completed here. But till now 2 digits are left. So take next digit, that is 4. 4 is less than 8. So we will put 0. 8 zeros are 0. So 4 will be left only. Then we will take next digit, that is 0. Now the number has become 40. 8 5s are 40. Right? Now see, division is completed. After decimal 1, 2, 3 digits we want. So start counting from 1's place. 1s, 10s, 100. Then put decimal here. So our answer has become 39.605. Now question number 1, L part. 1020 decimal 102 divided by 51. So write down the dividend. 1020 decimal 102. Put division sign. Divisor is 51. Right. Now here see, 1 is here less than 51. 0, the 10. 10 is also less than 51. So we will take the next digit, 102. 51 2s are 102. 102 upon 102. Remainder is 0. Now take the next digit, 0. Less than 51. We will put 0 here. We will take next number, that is 1. Next digit, that is 1. Now again 1 is less than 51. So take 0 and copy the next digit. Now it is 10. It is again less than 51. Put 0 again in your quotient and take the next digit, 2. Now we have 102. 51 2s are 102. 102 minus 102. 0 remainder is left. Now after decimal there are 1, 2, 3 digits. So here also count from 1's place, 1s, 10s, 100 and put decimal. So our answer has become 20.002. Now our next part is here, M part, 596.994 divided by 47. 596.994 is our dividend, 47 is divisor. 47 ones are 47. Now 9 minus 7, 2, 5 minus 4, 1. So next digit we will take 6. Now the number has become 126. 47 2s are 94. 6 minus 4, 2. 12 minus 3, 12 minus 9, 3. So number is now 32. We will take next digit 9. It has become 329. 47 sevens are 329. Right? Now 329 minus 329. Remainder is 0. Take next digit 9. 9 is less than 47. So we will put 0 here. We will take next digit 4. Right? Now 4 we have taken, it has become 94. 47 2s are 94. Now no remainder is left. Division is completed. Now we will put decimal. After decimal in our dividend there are 1, 2 and 3 digits. So in our quotient also we want 3 digits. So count from ones place, ones, tens, 100 and put decimal here. So our answer has become 12.702. Next part is a N part, 24.660 divided by 12. So 24.660 will become dividend and 12 is our divisor. 12 2s are 24. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So we will take now 6. 6 is less than 12. So put 0 here and take the next digit. Next is 6 again. So the number has become 66. 12 5s are 60. 6 minus 0, 6. Next digit we will take, that is 0. So again 12 5s are 60. 60 minus 60, 0. Beta, in these questions, if we want 0 in the dividend, then we will put 0 because no remainder should be left in the division of decimal fractions. Right? आपको complete division show करनी है जिसमें remainder नहीं होगा. If remainder is there, if you are getting any number here, then you will take 0 in dividend. Okay. Now after completing this division, after decimal we will count now number of digits. 1, 2, 3. So count from ones place, ones, tens, 100, put decimal here. So our answer has become 2.055. Understood? You have to do complete division. No remainder should be there. Okay? जितने डिजिट आपके बेटा डिविडेंड में होंगे डेसिमल के बाद, उतने ही डिजिट आपके डिवाइजर में होंगे डेसिमल के बाद. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Understood? Keep this thing in your mind. Now question number 3. Divide 400.8 by 400. Beta, we have two methods. One is that we will do simple division by taking it 400. Second is we can change this in the form of fraction. Okay, these are two methods. And third, what we can do, we can take zeros at last. First of all, we will do simple division if the number are in the form of hundreds, like 400, 40, 4000, 3000, 2000. Then we will do simple division with 4, 3, 2, and then we will check our answer by adjusting the zeros. Okay. So here I am taking first method in which 400.8 is divided by 400. So first of all we will take division with 4. Okay, these zeros I have not considered in the division first. Now see, 4 ones are 4. Then take 0. 4 zeros are 0. Then next 0. 4 zeros are 0. Next digit is 8. 4 twos are 8. Right? Now after decimal, one digit is there. So here also ones place we will count and then put decimal. So our quotient has become 100 decimal 2. Okay, till here division is done. Now we have to say this division was with 400. We have done with 4. So write down the question again. 400 decimal 8 divided by 400. 400 decimal 8 division is replaced with multiplication. So this 400 upon 1 will become 1 upon 400. We will take reciprocal. 400 can be written as 4 into 100. We can do it. Okay. Now what we have done? We have done 400 decimal 8 divided by 4. Multiply by 1 upon 100. We have separated this 1 upon 100. Now this division we have already done. It is 100 decimal 2. We have done it. So 100 decimal 2 multiply by 1 upon 100, or we can say 100 decimal 2 upon 100. Right? इसको हमने पहले सॉल्व कर लिया और इसका आंसर हमने यहाँ लिख दिया. And now it is divided by 100. Now denominator has 2 zeros. So decimal will shift. Now you tell me beta, decimal will shift to the forward or to the backward? Division is there. Yes, definitely decimal will shift backward. Left side पे जाएगा. How many places? 2 places. So 1 and 2. So our answer has become 1.002. Clear? If you want, you can change the question in the form of fraction, or you can do simple division with 400. And at last, you will put decimal sign in your quotient. Now, third question. B part. 8136 decimal 900 divided by 900. If you want, you can take it 8136 decimals 900 upon 900, and then you will cancel the zeros, or you can do simple division as it is done here. Write down the dividend. 8136 decimal 900 divided by 900. 9 nines are 81. 81 is there. So we will take 900 nines are 8100. Right? Now 6 minus 0, 6. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 36 is there. Take the next digit, that is 9. 369 is less than 900. So we will put 0 in our quotient and we will consider next digit, that is 0. Now our number has become 3690. 9 fours are 36. So 900 fours are 3600. Understood? So 900 fours are 3600. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Now 90, take the next digit, that is 0. 900 ones are 900. Right? So our answer has become 9.041. This is our quotient. Now it's time to take homework. Homework is do question 2, M and N parts, and question 3, C, D and E parts of exercise 1E in your note. You have to send homework of all the subjects to your concerned teacher's mail ID. And be regular. Many students have stopped sending the homework now. Start sending it again. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 4. So take out your practice notebooks because you have to check your homework. It was your homework question 4 E and F part or exercise 1D, and question 2 E to G parts of exercise 1E. Okay. If you have done, this question, these parts E, F, G in your book, then you can take out your book also. Let's start with fourth question. Find the product. 183.31 multiply by 3.11. So in multiplication we will not consider the decimal. We will do simple multiplication. 18,331 multiply by 311. 1 1 is a 1, 1 3 is a 3, 1 3 is a 3, 1 8 is a 8, 1 8, 1 1 is a 1. Now we will do multiplication of the tens place. So we will put here 1 multiplication sign, cross sign. Again with 1, 1 1 is a 1, 1 3 is a 3, 1 3 is a 3, 1 8 is a 8 and 1 1 is a 1. Now once tens 100. 100 place contains a digit 3. So put 2 multiply signs here. You can put 0 also. Now start with multiplication with 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. 4 will be here to carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. Right? Now do addition. 1 plus 3 plus 1 4. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 9 20. 0. 2 will be carry. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 9 18. 18 plus 2 20. 0. 2 carry. And then 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 2 7. And 5. So after multiplication, write down the question again. 183.31 multiply by 3.11. Now write down your product, whatever you have got. Product is 57,941. So you will write down here. Now count the digits after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now start counting from here, from ones place in our product. 1, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, 4 places now. Now put decimal here. So our answer has become 570.0941. Write the decimal, put the decimal mark carefully. F part 900.09 multiply by 0.99. So start multiplication without considering the decimal. 90,009 multiply by 99. 9 9s are 81. 1 8 carry. 9 zeros are 0. 0 plus 8 8. 9 zeros are 0. 9 zeros are 0. 9 9s are 81. Now tens place 9 is here. Put 1 multiplication sign here. Now again you will multiply the whole number with 9. Same answer we are going to write down. So write here 180018. Okay. Now addition. 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 8 plus 1, 9 and 8. And now write down the question again having decimals. Write down your product. 89 lakh 10,891. Now count the number of digits after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now start counting from ones place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now put decimal here. So our answer has become 891.0891. Have you got the correct answers? Yes? Good. Now question number 2 was given. Exercise 1A. E, F and G parts. 81.6 divided by 1000. Oral we can do. 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. Division sign is there. Decimal will move backward. So move when we are starting moving the decimal backward. So shift it. It will move first here before 1, before 8. Now no digit is there. One more digit we want. So we will put 0 here. Then we will mark decimal. So our answer will become डेसिमल 0816, डेसिमल 3 प्लेसेस पीछे हो जाएगा, राइट। नाउ 984 decimal 72 divided by 10,000. 10,000 contains 4 zeros. So decimal will move 4 places back. We have 3 digits. We will mark 0 here. Now decimal will shift 1, 2, 3 and 4 places back. So it will become decimal 09847 Clear? Next, 1345 decimal 02 divided by 10,000. Again 4 zeros are there. 4 zeros are there in 10,000. 10,000 is a divisor having 4 zeros. So decimal will shift 4 places back. So it will move 1 place. 4 और 5 के बीच में आ जाएगा. Again 1 place between 3 and 4. Again 1 place back. 1 and 3 के between. Again 1 place back. It will come before 1. So our answer will become 0.134502. Clear? If your answers are not correct, then do correction work. Okay? And keep submitting the homework on time. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you.